Team Jamaica paraded across the Stade Pierre Alker after Grenada as the CARIFTA Aquatic Championships were officially opened on Friday in Martinique. 36 athletes will represent the land of wood and water at the meet, which runs from Saturday to next Tuesday. The championships officially gets underway on Saturday, and head coach Gillian Millwood, speaking before the team's departure, said she expects a big effort from each swimmer.
If you look at the qualification criteria, it's done based on finalists, it's based on top 8, and making sure that, wherever everybody is, the times that they qualify for, we are choosing people who are going to get at least 1 point. And once everybody has a lane, you have a chance. So you're hopping in. We had athletes from last year, one not on this team, but we've had athletes last year and previous years who never really had a chance in a particular event, but they felt the vibe of the moment and they went with it, felt strongly encouraged by not just the team, the moment and the opportunity that they have, and they springboard and got medals. So I don't put any limits on anybody.
Jamaica copped a record 56 medals at last year's edition in Trinidad and Tobago.